Yan.
Soup ladle, sauce ladle, serving spoon, serving fork, demita spoon, teaspoon, butter and bread spreader, escargot, cocktail, cocktail fork, cake server, long spoon, spoon, dinner spoon, fish knife, dinner knife, salad knife, dessert spoon, salad fork, dinner fork, dessert fork.
Sauce.
Sauce spoon, creamy yan. Toothpick holder, sugar container, teacup and saucer, salt and pepper shaker, consomme, coffee cup and saucer, tea bag, coffee pot, bowl and saucer.
Underliner.
Ay, underliner pala yan. Cocktail. At least ma'am, yan lang ang malimang yun. Dalawa lang yun. Cocktail, glass, water goblet, white wine, red wine, flower vase, ice cooker, ice bucket, over plate, dinner plate, salad plate, red plate, dessert plate, oval plate, rectangular plate, round plate, bracelet.
Yun.